starting out in needlework, I would suggest that you embrace as many techniques as you can. I think having a go at lots of different types of stuff will make you enthusiastic for all of it. I don't personally have a favourite, and I can honestly say I don't. I love them all equally, I think, and they all have their different challenges, and I think maybe that's why I like a broad breadth of different embroidery styles. So you get a very different challenge with gold work compared to Jacobean Crewelwork and silk shading. So I think I would probably try out as many as possible, and to go and visit as many institutions where you can see historic pieces as you can, because I just find that what people have done in the past really, really inspiring.